entry point would have been way too high for my stop loss. So we ended up waiting. We got this beautiful candle down here. I actually did end up entering the trade a little early. We got this candle here and then this guy right here, which I used as my entry point. It was close enough on those wicks. It was 2 cents over the 490 level that I was like, maybe it's not actually going to tap into it. Realistically, I could have just waited for this big candle here at the 1047 mark because it went straight through the level, wicked below the level, and then ultimately held price right at that 490 level. This would have been the more ideal entry point. So I got in a little bit early, ended up holding the trade because where I set my stop loss, I set it at the break of structure. Where was the break of structure? It was this prior low before this rip up. So this prior low was created right here, as you can see. This is where I set my stop loss. So anything, all the noise that potentially is going to exist between this 490 level and this 489.59, this is all noise. I'm not going to worry about it. And it's tempting to, again, stop out when you have things breaking below. But what I'm really trying to work on is making sure I hold my trades, trust my entries, and just let the trade play out. Good or bad, let the trade play out. And so I've been sizing down a little bit to be able to get more comfortable with doing it, which I think is really important to do, is make sure you're taking smaller lot sizes as you're figuring out your plan and being able to trade consistently, because consistency in terms of execution across your trading plan is super important to make sure that you're getting the kind of risk to reward that you need and ultimately making sure the probabilities work in your favor. So I had this guy break down. We ended up retesting this after this first candle break and this wick hold. This actually gave me a lot more confidence